Very nice.
Land!
Lando! We're in the Key West. I almost said the West Keys. I don't know what I'm doing. Shit behind.
Taking a picture of a stormtrooper who's taking a picture of me.
That's okay. Now we
So,
showed up on the cruise.
we are in Key West. Key West, I'm not gonna say Miami.
That's
I keep accidentally saying Miami. We're not in Miami. We're in Key West. It's written everywhere.
They've been booked for a week.
Oh, darn. Okay, so we can't do the fun boat ride. So now we gotta figure out other stuff to do.
Wait, why can't we?
They've been booked.
He's so cute! Hello! We're on our way to see a sharks. See a sharks. I'm good at this. You guys want to say hi? Say hi. Hi. Say hello. Say hello. Hey. These are our friends we made. I do a video blog, so this is me doing my video blog. Yeah, I know. I'm really cool. Say hello. Hello. Say your name.
Brandon.
Say your name.
Aaron.
Say your name. Lisa. There we go. Shucky, shucky, shucky. Shucky, shuckies. Here, shucky, shucky, shucky.
I don't think it's helping.
No? Darn.
That's how you call the sharks.
Just oh no!
Oh crap.
That was oh, I saw a fish jump. That's exciting.
Oh, there's some sharks.
Oh. I don't see anything. Oh, I see him. Where? Look right there. I don't know if the camera can see him. I really have no idea if the camera can see him.
There's one right here.
Is there one right there?
Yeah.
Dad, I will kill you.
Can you see it?
Oh my gosh, so pretty. Hi, Sharky.
No, I'm pretty sure the camera can't see anything. That's really unfortunate.
Hi, Sharky. See, it worked.
No shark for you. Yeah, we tamed the sharks. Can we be shark girls?
Yes. We are shark girls.
We are shark girls.
Plus 15
I do? I have tail. Sharky, sharky. Come back, sharky, sharky. Come here, sharky, sharky. Here, sharky, sharky, sharky. Nope.
You guys see the little fish on the shark? That's called a remora. It's also known as a shark sucker.
Sorry.
It's not a parasite because it doesn't do the shark any harm. It
Whoa.
also does not clean the shark. It's strictly a hitchhiker. It knows as long as it's on that shark, no other fish is going to eat it. Also, it gets to feed on all the scraps in the water because sharks are very sloppy feeders. By the way, if one of them jumps up here, just push him down.
Oh, good.
As more of them get here. See, right now the bad setups are coming from under the boat.
Yeah, that's
This one has a hook in the side.
These are lemon sharks.
Oh, hi, yo.
I really like the lemon sharks for this compared to just about anything else because of their teeth. This is a bull shark, it's got a little bait. Their teeth are
Holy cow. You know how fishy.
This animal wants four things and it all starts with a D.
Where'd it go?
Dead, disease, dying, or dumb. Dumb is when you're in the water and you see a shark, you think the right thing to do is swim away as fast as you can. Do not. You look injured or diseased to him. What you want to do is he'll always make a big circle, and you just want to face the animal and look at him. You're a big animal in your own right. They're not out here killing great big 100-pound animals. I don't think they caught him because it's a monofilament leader. In his mouth is a monofilament leader, so it probably was tarpon fishing and it ate his tarpon bait.
One has something blue.
That's the one.
It looks like a delicacy out here. Right in the corner of the mouth.
That shark turned around fast.
Remember how that big one came up and grabbed the bait and struggled so hard, and yet I still got the bait back?
Yeah.
We have another one, a guy here, his name is Spot. And he's the largest one that shows up. He's like 9 foot, 250, 275 pounds. If he gets a hold of it, he won't let go. He's learned, man, if I hang on to this thing, I'm going to see all these pieces. He was here yesterday.
Shark point here, you fell in the water, you'd be a skeleton in about 30 minutes. Yep. That's not true, but it makes it even scarier. They're actually harmful.
The sharks are biting each other.
Yeah.
It's like, get away from my food.
That's what I was
The attitude is, you don't bite me, I won't bite you.
Meat left
There's
on
not
it.
much you know, they want it. They'd like to swallow it whole now. They don't really want to have to fight for it.
They got all the meat out of it.
Yes.
Come on, big boy, there it is. He says, nah, there ain't no meat on that. Pull on it, break the jaw. Don't make me pull it off.
This is watercolor. He's like, fish, fish.
Oh my gosh.
So blue, very color. Much ocean.
We just touch the butt.
Funny me moment. These are amazing. There's dolphins over there somewhere. Ooh, the dolphins. I don't know if I can. Wait till we get closer.
Dolphins, leave them.
Someone thought our dolphin noise is real. We're making dolphin noises. I'm a tame
I
dolphin.
what you meant by it. That's funny.
Hey, look, it's
what you're seeing going on
squirrels.
up here is a little bit of romance.
Ooh.
You'll realize that when we get a little closer. Dolphins are not monogamous. They do not mate for life. It's party time all the time.
Dolphins are the only mammals besides humans that have sex for fun. Now you know, kids.
By the way, if you go to a restaurant and you see dolphin on the menu, it's not this animal. It's a fish known as mahi-mahi, also known as dorado. Now, while you look at these animals, look at the dorsal fin. If it has a lot of curvature to it, that's a male. More triangular is a female.
Dolphins
If a
got
dolphin
manners.
catches a fish and throws it, nobody else runs in there to try. This is mating going on over here.
Yep.
The one on its back with the bright pink belly, that's a female trying to keep the goodies away from the guys. I think you have 2 males and a female right there.
Uh-oh.
And that's a real common
Yeah, both
setup.
threes.
They gang up on the female and try to kind of corral her in.
Well then. Oh, there it goes.
We were out here one day and 2 big males were competing on who could jump the highest.
Oh.
And they would both leap in the air, and at the top of their peak of their leap, they both look at each other. It's so obvious what they were doing. Now, I've seen dolphins in captivity leap pretty high for fish. They leap way higher for fun. They're pretty rough with each other. That's not sharks fighting them and stuff like that. That's dolphins fighting each other. You know, everybody thinks dolphins are so lovey-dovey and wonderful animals. That's a predator. That eats fish, and it does it better than sharks.
Can't they beat up sharks?
And yes, they can beat up sharks. Except for great white sharks.
Yeah.
Great white sharks eat dolphins.
Oh.
Which would tell you right now the great white is the most intelligent of all the sharks. Because this animal here, when it comes to intelligence, this is not as smart as a dog. This is smart as a person. When I worked with them, I was stunned at
So
an
long, and
animal
thanks for all the
that would go
fish.
out of its way to trick me and literally look at me and laugh. I mean, they're so smart, you just have no idea. He's got another big pond way up there at that other boat. Yeah. This one is definitely checking us out. They're like, what? What? What do you want?
So curious.
On the back out there.
There more? There's some over there. There's some over there. They're coming out.
Yeah, these guys
These guys
here
are-
are
oh,
going to
here's
come
one.
right next to the boat. The 2 behind. Here you go. Here's your picture. Coming up right in the front. Very nice. Makes a good video. He's looking right at you. Is he going, are you looking at me?
There's another guy. At the boat. It's big. Big boat. Oh. Okay, good. You can see. I got a necklace, and I really like it because it matches my outfit today. So that's exciting. I also got a little tame seahorse, like this big.
I got a necklace.
Well, it's now on me.
A necklace. It's mine.
Well, I'm got a necklace. I'm wearing it. But it's mine now. Shh. So these are like the animals inside the conch shells, right? So I'm gonna try one, and hopefully I don't have an allergic reaction. Sloppy Joe's because we're at Sloppy Joe's. And I got a sloppy Philly cheesesteak sandwich. And I have no clue how to go about eating that. Like, none. But I'm not dead yet, so yay. We're on the beach now. Couldn't tell. Me and Jade are sitting and tanning.
Yeah.
I'm reading Allegiant. What are you reading?
Gone.
I don't know if it's pointing at you. It is. How is it?
It's really good. I like it.
What part are you at? No spoilers.
I'm at the part where everyone's coming to him for help, but he doesn't know what to do.
You should go read Gone. It's good. Also read Divergent because I enjoy it.
Free
It's really
advertisement for you.
Jared, there's such a big plot twist.
Don't say anything.
But Jared, do you want to hear about something?
No.
You sure?
Shut up.
Hey, Jet! Jet! Jet boy! What'd you make? Hello! We're about to eat, thank you, Mom. About to eat, Jade's already eating it. Key lime pie from the Key West. Jade, how is it? Over there as you're licking it.
It's slimy.
It's limey? That's good. I would try it, but I'd have no... Okay, hang on. I'm gonna try and do this. I got it. Ah! Look! Jets! Helpful.
Marjorie.
It's very limey. I agree with the limey idea. Hang on. Careful, don't lose it. I wish the camera portrayed it better. It's so red. Oh, you can kind of tell. Wow. Mom says it might do a green flash when it sets. It's just slowly getting redder. Redder? More red? Oh. Yeah, okay, sorry. The camera, you can only see it like bright white, but it's like deep red. Jed's about to show us like a routine he made up in the room. Like I think he's gonna jump around and stuff. Me and Jed used to do this all the time when we were younger, so we're gonna watch him do his little routine. Hey Jed, ready?
Oh, hello.
Ready? Okay.
Okay. 1 second.
Okay.
1 second.
1 second.
Videoing?
Yeah.
Ready? Oh, well, you should have told me that.
Sorry.
Oh, hello, my name is Jet, and I'll be performing the Terror Monkey of Death. So, today I'll be using this whip plant, which I found on the ground while we were walking outside. Even though we're in a ship. So, it's very fragile, and I'm going to knock this monkey off in the very first try. It's a little broken though.
That wasn't. Don't worry, we can edit this out.
It's okay, that never happened.
Okay.
Go ahead. Woo, violence.
Alright, so now it's going to get even harder.
Because the first time went so well.
The first one's...
Oh, violent.
So now this is going to be hardest and fastest six, even though that's not a word, and awesome. Hey!
Oh, violent.
Do that.
That thing hurts.
You've tried it?
You hit me with it. You broke skin.
I know, I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry.
See that? You can't see it anymore, but right there's a line where he hit me.
I'll break
No,
it
it's
again.
okay. Thank you, Jet. Alright, what's the last trick, Jet?
1 second, I'm trying to tie the monkey.
Yeah, Jordan, 1 second. Calm your tits.
No. Sorry, everyone, you missed that. I was doing this. Oh God, I almost fell off the bed. Nah! God, no, I actually really did almost fall off.
Don't worry, I saved your life.
All right, go ahead, Jet.
Oh wait, I wasn't ready.
Oh no, that
It's a
what?
practice shot.
What happened?
Edit that out too.
That never happened. Woo! Hey!
Hey, that's part of my show.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I thought you were getting upset with the lamp.
Okay. Edit that out too. Just start over.
Yeah, I know.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
God, Jordan.
I mean, if when you video it, I get nervous. So, you know,
Okay, ready, Jet?
All right.
Ready, set.
Does he get a bow?
Oh, ta-da!
I caught it.
He's dead.
You gonna bow?
Wins $1,000.
Bow, Jet.
Bow.
I thought the monkey was gonna bow too. And then.
Very good. Thank you, monkey.
Sorry, I don't know. I had to go ahead.
Yeah, okay.
Ready?
Hello, this is Jade's first shot. Mom's gonna do one too, I think. You do it with us, Mom? Maybe. Hang on.
Ready?
Ready, set, go.
Cheers.
Okay. I get
I can say
This is my moose. This is my moose. This is the moose. The grass. The grass. It just goes on and on. My moose is not me. Run, moose, run. Roll, moose, go. Down to the ground. We're being annoying. Are we annoying you guys yet? Swim like a river. Hello, Jade. It's a monkey towel thing. It's so cool.
Really good description.
Shut up. My camera won't charge. See, the thing is, I didn't have that much alcohol. Like, I'm okay, but then I try and talk, and it comes
never
out like
been
I'm an
okay, try.
idiot.
What? You are an idiot.
You're actually a jerk.
I know.
Did you really? I know. You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
Are we entertaining you? I really hope so. I apologize. What?
Homemade, whatever those things
What
are.
happened?
Jep stuffed it in there. It's not really working how I want it to.
What's going on?
Your face.
My face is actually really sunburned. The rest of me isn't sunburned, but just my face. And my face is what I put like the 80% on. The rest of my body only had 30. And none of you care about this right now. I'm gonna go.